Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. You'll have already read from today's title. Today's video is going to be on DIY back to school supplies, and I do hope you guys enjoy today's video. In order to do this DIY, basically you're going to need is of course a felt. Just fold it up like this. Once everything is aligned properly, basically I'm going to be stitching up the sides. Simply just stitch on the button. Next, just place on a rhinestone sticker. And here is your pencil case. Now you can fill it up with your pencil crayons, your markers, your pencils, erasers, whatever you basically need. And you're all ready to take it. And here is the finished look, you guys. To make this next DIY project, basically what I did was I placed on the magnets at the back of the mirror, and next I'm just going to be placing some rhinestone stickers onto the mirror. Sorry if the mirror looks a little dirty, I should have cleaned it before, but oh well, I guess. And this is how it looks like, you guys. Now to make this next DIY, basically what you're going to need is of course something that's kind of shaped as like an egg. So I'm just going to be placing on some nail polish on the top of the egg, of course. Just trying to get a little creative. So once I have the nail polish onto the egg, basically what I'm going to do now is add in some rhinestone stickers and just all around the egg, just like that. And once it's dry, this is how it looks like. Here's the finished look. And there you go, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you guys do end up making these DIY supplies, do tag me, and my Instagram is provided just down below over here. please make sure to go check out my Instagram page. It's _theamanpreetmatharu. Link is in the description below. And also, new to my channel, you might not be aware of this, but for every video that I make, at the end of each of my video, I give out a shout out.
Today's video shout out goes to Sally Young.
In order to get a shout out, basically all you have to do is just give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below. That's all you have to do, just 3 steps. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below. That's it, and you'll receive a shout out. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon right over here so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys very soon. I'm going to be posting my next video in just a couple days, so do stay tuned for that, you guys. And thank you so much, and take care, stay safe, and I hope you guys have a great school year.